Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to see someone's likes on Facebook. First, open up your Facebook application. You can see one of my friend posted a dot. You can click the three dots just at the top right here and just add him here to favorites. What this feature will do is when this user posts something, and if it is public, it will immediately inform you because you added it to your favorites. However, if something's not public, you probably won't be able to see it. One more step you could do is simply go to their profile and scroll down to see many of their posts, and people who comment on their posts see their comments. And stuff just like this, so when you're on someone's profile, go through and see everything they've commented on what they've liked. However, you can't search for someone's name and see every post they've liked, but as I showed you, there are a few ways to keep up with your friends and what they're up to on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix-It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.